commercially scaled Eagle Angels 5 and 6 are tails. And at less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight control system provides the slow speed handling that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the Section High Alpha